What's up, you guys? Hi guys, and how are you doing? Happy new month, happy new October. Karibu sana to this channel. My name is Winnie James aka Wisma, and karibu sana to Triple FL. In this channel we talk about fashion, food, fitness and lifestyle. And today is Monday special. Tunagonga jikoni, tunapika kitu fresh, kitu bambam, kitu yummy yummy. Yes, na ndio maana niko hapa tunapika. Today I am going to show you how to do French toast. Sawa sawa. French toast. Yummy. Soft. Tamu sana. So that is how mkate si mkate tu. Sindio? Wacha tupatie mkate tofauti. So I am going to teach you on how to do French toasts. Na karibu sana. Stick with me to the end. Najua this is something delicious, something yummy for you and your kids and your family. Muta enjoy kabisa. So if you're new here, karibu sana. Subscribe to this channel. To grow pamoja, and welcome to the family. So thank you guys so much for your support. I am really grateful for your support. God bless you. Let's do this. So here we have our ingredients today, and yep, so we will need milk. Milk. I have a cinnamon with me. We will also need some margarine. This is cast sugar. We'll need sugar, scary, some salt, kitu. Sijui kama unaona kama itwa Mom Easy. Mom Easy nililetewa wakati wa baby shower. So my son is turning 2 years this month, October. Yes, so and I decided to use this because imagine mtoi alikuwa anakula na haka kitu ni kadogo, but alikuwa anashiba. Can you imagine? So anyway, so this is salt. We have salt. We have honey. We'll need some honey. Some cooking oil, vegetable oil. Tuko na mayai. Nitatumia like 3 of them. I have 3 of them. Are you able to see that? So we will also need now bread because it is toast bread. So yep, so let's do this. Let's get started. Kama kawa nawambianga kwangu kikombe wa black ndio wa kupigua mayai because yeah, iko tu hivyo namna hiyo. So tutaweka mayai hapa. Hiyo ni moja. Mayai 2. Na hii ni ya 3. So tumebeat, toa gutha 3 mayais. So and then after that tutaweka chumvi. Tutaweka tu kidogo kwa kiasi. We will put some salt. Then tutakoroga mayai yetu. Tukisha koroga mayai yetu, we will put some cinnamon, just a little. Hivyo kwa kiasi tu. And then tukishaeka cinnamon, tutaweka pia sukari. Because tunataka mkate yetu ikuwe tamu, ikuwe ya kupendeza, ikuwe sawa. So and then tutakoroga tena so that we can mix it nicely. And then now after that, this is very simple. Ni mayai tu hapo nje, vitu zenye uko nazo kwa nyumba unafanya hizi vitu haraka and hata wale wazee wenye wanataka ku surprise bibi. Hii itakuwa mzuri sana asubuhi, ni very fast and you know, unamaliza hii story. So after that tutaongeza maziwa kiasi tu, si mingi. And then now after that, after we've mixed cinnamon, sugar, salt, eggs and milk, tutaitilia hapa kwa hii bowl yangu. So imemixika vizuri sana hivyo. See? Mchanganyiko maalum. So, yep. And then now we get to jikoni tupike. So, tuanguke pande hii. Now we will put some oil. And then some margarine. And then tutaacha ikue hivi like tuone mafuta imekuwa imeiva vizuri. Like, and now it's now time to put our bread in here. So you just soak it in like that. And let have like that, like that. My pan is big, so big enough to hold 3. So taipatia 2 space. Then tutalet ive. Tuongeza slightly kidogo moto. And then we wait. You repeat the same thing. Unaweka mafuta and then margarine. Maybe unajiuliza, why am I mixing the two? I am mixing the two because there is that taste, a different taste yenye inakujanga na margarine. Inafanya mkate yako ikue inakuwa tamu sana. Inaipatia taste tofauti from just mkate, from just mafuta tu ati umeweka. So that's the reason why I am using margarine. So we repeat the same thing mpaka mixture yetu iishe. So yep. If your pan can hold 2, just do 2. If you can hold more than 2, just do more than 2. Mine can only hold 3 because inataka ikue na space mzuri nikipika. So this is one quick fix. Unaweza ikula ikuwa breakfast, unaweza ikula ikuwa kama snack. Unaweza patia watoi when they are going to school, or a very good snack on the go. Yep. I'm just wondering, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, unakojea nini? Si usubscribe hii maneno, huh? Let's grow together, and I am so grateful for you guys when you menipatia support. Give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below. Comment in the comment section. So ninatumia mkate wa SUZY'S fresh bread. So yep. Oh, it's just so delicious. I love. Let me know in the comment section nini ungependa kuona nikipika, and I will do so. Or you can use honey, or even use honey or syrup. Bottom line is to sweeten. Yeah, and that is how simple you make toasts, French toasts. Thank you guys for watching this video. God bless you. See you on the next one. Hii unaweza kula yote. Unakula yote. Unamalizia kila mtu. Tamu. Tamu kuruka. Tamu kuruka. Yep. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section, and especially ukitry this recipe, wacha nijue na ilitoka aje. Sawa sawa. So God bless you. See you on the next one. Mugwa.